Hello everyone, I welcome you to this course. So this is the course introduction video, which I thought that is necessary before we start off with the course, because I wanted just to share what actually are our aims and objectives regarding this course. So let me tell you that I have been teaching for past 5 years, and I have taught in many architectural colleges um, and other institutions, and I have been also on juries. So what my experience has been is this, that the students basically they tend to they find building construction hard. Maybe they find it too technical, and they lose interest in the building construction, which when they move into the profession becomes a problem because they don't have their construction fundamentals and basics clear enough. So I thought that it is important that there should be a course which you know emphasizes more on building construction rather than design. Though we will also be working with on design problems, I'll try to demonstrate to you all that how a better and sound knowledge of building construction can really enhance your design and make it more practical and make it more interesting. Uh, so I welcome you all again to this course. So I'll see you uh, in the next video. Thank you for now. Bye bye.